In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Microsoft Outlook and Google Calendar. If you want to view your Google Calendar events inside Outlook, this is a simple way to do it. We'll be using a calendar subscription link from Google Calendar and adding it into Outlook so your calendar can appear there automatically. As you follow along, make sure you're signed into both accounts before you begin, and remember to keep any private calendar links secure. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser. Once you're there, go to the Settings area. This is where Google stores the sharing and integration options for each calendar you use. After you open Settings, look for the section called Integrate Calendar. Click into that area, because this is where you'll find the link needed to connect your Google Calendar with other apps and services. Now, scroll down until you see the secret address. This is the private calendar URL that allows Outlook to subscribe to your Google Calendar. Copy that address carefully. Since this is a private link, avoid sharing it publicly or sending it to anyone who shouldn't have access to your calendar. If someone has this link, they may be able to view your calendar information, so treat it like sensitive information. Once the address is copied, switch over to Outlook. In Outlook, click on Calendar so you're working in the calendar view instead of your email inbox. Then, select the option to add a calendar. This is the area where Outlook lets you connect calendars from other sources. From the available options, choose Subscribe from Web. This tells Outlook that you want to add a calendar using an online subscription link instead of creating a new one manually. Now, paste the address you copied from Google Calendar into the provided field. After that, enter a calendar name. Choose something clear and recognizable so it's easy to identify later, especially if you manage multiple calendars in Outlook. When everything looks correct, click Import. Outlook will then add the Google Calendar as a subscribed calendar. Depending on your connection and the amount of calendar data, it may take a moment for events to appear. Once it finishes, you should be able to see your Google Calendar inside Outlook. If you don't see updates right away, give it a little time and refresh the calendar view if needed. That's it. You've successfully connected Google Calendar to Outlook using a web subscription link.